Hi, this is George coming to you from Nautilus Mission Control at URI's Inner Space Center. We just wrapped up the first leg of this year's expedition, and here are the highlights. Nautilus spent 12 days exploring two areas in the southern Black Sea, off the coasts of Areli and Sinop, Turkey. In both of these areas, we used our side-scan sonar towfish Diana to find promising targets on the sea floor. These were anything from internal waves ruffling up sediment to ancient shipwrecks. Once Diana was recovered, the team sent down remotely operated vehicles Hercules and Argus to check out all those promising targets. And we encountered 3 new shipwrecks this season, all of them off the coast of Areli, Turkey. The first, Areli F, was a wooden wreck heavily damaged by trawl fishing in the area. There were only a few shards of amphora present, making it difficult to date the wreck accurately. The second wreck, Areli G, was only about 100 years old, and even though visibility was poor, you can get a sense that this was a pretty big ship. The hull stands 14 meters above the sea floor, and there were details scattered about the wreckage, for example a compass and the ship's anchor, that may help archaeologists figure out exactly which ship this was and when she sank. The third wreck, Areli H, was similar to Areli F. It was heavily trawled and contained just one broken ceramic jar. Hercules was also able to collect sediment push core samples from the 3 different layers of the Black Sea: the surface oxygenated layer, the deep oxygen-free layer, and the boundary layer in between those two. Some of those sediment core samples are on their way to Istanbul University for biological analysis, while others are headed right back here to URI for chemical and geological studies. Finally, we revisited Sinop D, an extremely well-preserved shipwreck site that Dr. Ballard and his team discovered in 2000. Sinop D lies in about 325 meters of water, putting it well into the oxygen-free layer of the Black Sea. Now, back in 2007, at a site very close to Sinop D, the team left a series of materials that you might find on an ancient shipwreck, things like wood, metal, bone, and rawhide, on the seafloor and buried in the sediment. On this leg, Hercules and Argus recovered a few of those samples, and scientists are analyzing them to help us understand how the anoxic waters of the deep Black Sea help preserve ancient shipwrecks. The team has also had a few moments to relax, enjoying a barbecue, a few swim calls, and even a birthday, complete with strawberry cake. For more news, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and be sure to join the expedition live right here at nautiluslive.org.